What's going on, guys? Will Mitchell here. We got a great update for you today on Aruna Resort and Hotel. If you guys have been following along, you will have seen that this is a canal front project right in the bay between San Pedro and the west side of Ambergris Caye, close to Brahma Blue and some of those other resorts. We've also kind of followed along the journey of these. They're being built modular and assembled on the site. The parts are being done by a company in Spanish Lookout, and they're being brought over and being assembled by a local builder on the island here. So you saw before the foundation and piles were in. Now the actual beams, columns, all the panels, everything's being delivered, and they're starting to be assembled on site. These units have beautiful verandas over the water. There's going to be 1 and 2 bedrooms here for people to come in and stay at. They have an amazing overwater dock restaurant where you can enjoy cocktails. And one of my favorite things about this area, the 360 views. You have sunrise and sunset views. So it's great to see the construction team out here working on this. We can't wait to see these units come along. We're super excited with the progress here, and I've been keeping updated on this throughout the entire journey of these being built and developed. But more to come on this as they continue to be put together, and you guys are going to be very excited to see the finished product here and hopefully stay at this resort in the very near future.